Here's why the Atlas Copco GA VSDS stands for solid, strong performance. Its revolutionary smart temperature control system. The ability to optimize oil temperature, and thus injection, has a direct effect on your compressor's efficiency and reliability. This is what the GA VSDS introduces for the first time ever. It takes sophisticated teamwork between the electronic-on controller, the Neo's Next inverter, the smart thermostatic control valve, and the VSD fan. An advanced algorithm in the electronic-on controller combines operational parameters such as motor speed, ambient temperature, and humidity to calculate the optimal injection temperature, which the Neo's Next implements by regulating the VSD fan and the STC valve. It's real-time optimization to eliminate the risk of condensation while ensuring maximum compression efficiency. Smart, solid, strong. Taking VSD technology to the S level requires cutting-edge engineering, and that is exactly what the GA VSDS delivers with its smart temperature control system. To find out more about the new GA VSDS, visit atlascopco.com.